Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. And if you are seeing my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Shreya and I'll be very glad if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today's video is all about self-portrait photography or home quarantine photo shoot, you can say it. Even I have already done with the part 1 and part 2. If you haven't checked, go and check it out. I'll put the link in my description box. From that you can easily check it out. I think this topic is very much on trend just because it's a quarantine time and we can't go outside to click some pictures. What we can do is we can click pictures at home with some creative ideas, with some prop. Even if you are noticed in my previous video that I have used prop in my many pictures just because I am very bad at posing. Yes, I really don't know how to pose, and if you are also not comfortable by giving some poses, what you can do is you can add some props in your pictures. For example, you can take book, you can take pictures with some colors. Please go and watch my previous video. If you are searching something about self-portrait photography, it might be help you. So go and watch out. You know what props does? It helps to divert the attention from the subject, and even at the same time it gives the value to the picture. So this is the reason why I use prop in my many of the pictures, and you can do the same. Or if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, please like this video, and I think that's it. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. end of the video. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope this video might be helpful for you if you are searching something about some creative pictures at home. And again, you can connect with us with our social handle Instagram. Our username is VFFblend, the same name as our channel. I'll put the link in my description box. Go and follow from there. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Please comment down what you like the most. Please suggest in our comment box that what to improve in my video, what to improve in my channel. Please suggest us. And thank you so much for love and support. Till then, bye bye and take care.